guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda, and today's video I've really been looking forward to record because today we'll finally deal with my kitchen. We're gonna do like a big massive makeover because right now I don't even have enough space to put my food away, so that's why all the quinoa and umami spaghetti and stuff is still on the counter because I don't know where else to put them. And it's not like I don't have the space, it's just that the space has not been utilized enough. When we kind of moved in, we just put it wherever. Like the basket up here, we put that there because that's where we had it in our previous apartment, but our previous apartment did not have anything near the space this apartment's kitchen has. So I went to the Container Store and I finally got an OXO 10-piece set. I was ridiculously happy, jumping up and down. Let me just show you what I got. Okay, so this is the OXO 10-piece set. So it looks like this. Can you guys see? I think so. Okay. And then I also got this wire basket, and I'm still going to be using the basket on top of the fridge. I'm just going to try to, for once, have a fridge free of just stuff. So if you guys are curious to see what happens, then come along and watch as I pretty much tear my kitchen down and then bring it back up. Done, and I'm so excited to show you the final result of my kitchen makeover.
I woke up it's soft today, and baby everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me, smoking cigarettes on balcony. But I can't do this alone, sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone, and you're on the other side, so when your tears fall down,
Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I know that these OXO containers are expensive, but there are some other budget alternatives if you don't feel like it's worth it. To me, it's something I wanted for the longest time, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. This pantry is not something I'm super excited about, but just having these containers make me so much happier. My dream is to one day have a walk-in pantry, and when that day comes, because it will, then I will just be able to bring these, and I'm already like a step on the way. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to, and I hope you guys have had a great start of 2018.
without you.